Can I export or download the data of my minutes played on Spotify?
Hello, and welcome to this tutorial video. Today, we are going to explore a question many Spotify users have. Can I export or download the data of my minutes played on Spotify? Unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Spotify does not provide a feature that directly allows you to export your play history or minutes played on their platform. But don't worry, we have some options to indirectly gather this data.
What kind of data does Spotify provide?
Spotify does provide users with some data. This includes your playlists, top artists, top tracks, and more, which you can see in the Spotify app. However, the company doesn't directly give you access to all of your play history or minutes listened. This might be a bit disappointing if you're looking for that precise information.
Can you request your data from Spotify?
Yes, you can. Spotify allows users to request their data, which includes information about your playlists, streaming history, searches, and more. To do this, you'll have to go to the privacy settings on your Spotify account and click on the Data section. From there, you can request your data, and Spotify will prepare it for you to download. However, keep in mind that this data might not be in a user-friendly format and will likely not include a direct calculation of total minutes played.
Are there any third-party options?
There are third-party applications that can analyze your Spotify data and provide you with insights, such as your total listening time. One popular example is Last.fm, which can track the music you listen to across various platforms, including Spotify, and provide statistics about your listening habits. However, using third-party services always comes with potential privacy concerns, and you should always be careful when sharing your data. So to sum it up, while Spotify doesn't provide a straightforward way to export your minutes played, you can request your data from Spotify or use third-party services to track your listening habits. Remember to consider your privacy when sharing your data with third-party applications. I hope this video has been helpful, and now you know a bit more about how to access your Spotify listening data. Happy listening!